Hey everybody, Jimmy Grappone here with Costello Real Estate and Investments. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2020. Casual Friday. I'm wearing my Pups and Pints t-shirt from a couple years ago. We'll be sponsoring the Beer Zone, the beer garden of Pups and Pints this year, May 2nd, 2020. It's about 6 weeks away from here, and we'll see what happens there. We're seeing obviously a lot of events across the country. March Madness has been canceled. The NBA season has been postponed. All major sports throughout the U.S. Are postponed, and they're really recommending that people stay away from large gatherings. So we'll monitor that situation as it unfolds as far as local community events. One thing that I've been wondering about, and I'm sure lots of people are wondering, what's going to happen with their employment, with lots of people working from home. Obviously, in real estate, that's a business where we're out in the field a whole lot. I can work from home doing my my paperwork and online media and marketing and things like that. But actually getting out with clients, showing homes and stuff like that, we are out in the field a lot. So one of the things that I would just advise, if you are selling a house or if you're in the market for buying a house, is just the whole thing about being clean, washing your hands, disinfecting things. I think open houses are gonna slow down. I don't think we're gonna see as many open houses, mainly because we're not gonna want to have those large gatherings of people in a confined space at one time. So, for instance, I had a listing just last month where we had probably 50 people come through an open house in the span of about 2 or 3 hours. So things like that we're gonna want to minimize. When you go to showings, if you have gloves, wear gloves. Minimize the surfaces that you touch. Obviously, the realtor's going to have to open doors and get into the house. But as you're walking around the home, you don't have to touch every doorknob. You don't have to touch the counters and surfaces and things like that. And then if you're a homeowner and you're listing, when you have showings, just be sure to wipe everything down afterwards. Just to be precautionary. Obviously the biggest thing is that we want to minimize this thing and try not to spread it to other people, and just be smart about it. So I hope everybody has a great Friday. It is Friday the 13th, so don't walk under any ladders. Don't cross the paths of any black cats. Be safe, wash your hands, and go out and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for watching Real Estate Made Simple with Jimmy Grappone of Costello Real Estate and Investments. Let's talk before you make your next real estate move.